In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons on your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, your customers will be able to click straight through from your store to your social profiles, which is great for building trust and keeping people engaged with your brand. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your products, orders, and store settings. From here, we're going to move into the area that controls how your store looks. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This section is where you manage themes, pages, blog posts, and navigation. Since we want to add social media icons to the storefront itself, we'll be working with your current theme. After you click Online Store, you'll see your active theme at the top of the page. Next, click on Customize or Edit Theme, depending on what your interface shows. This opens the theme editor, which lets you visually adjust different parts of your store without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, look for a section or drop-down labeled Utilities, usually found in the left panel. Click on Utilities, and it should expand to reveal more options. Among these options, you should see something like Social Media Links or Social Links. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll connect your store to your social accounts. Now you'll see fields for various social platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or others that your theme supports. For each platform you want to display, paste the full URL to your profile. For example, use the complete link to your Instagram or Facebook page, not just your username. Take a moment to double-check each URL to make sure there are no typos, as incorrect links will lead customers to error pages. Once you've added and reviewed all the social media URLs you want to show, click the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor. Saving applies the changes to your live theme. Finally, open your storefront in a new tab or preview mode and scroll to the area where your theme displays social icons, often in the header or footer. You should now see your social media icons, and clicking on them will take visitors directly to your profiles.